Spot, I think they're calling you.
Hey, Spot! I'm glad that you're back! We were worried about you! Ah! It's a mummy! Get in! We gotta get out of here, Spot!
Nice to see you again.
We're never gonna make it out of here! Come on! Let's get out of here before he gets us! I think we lost him. I'm glad we made it out of there alive. We were scared. Were you scared? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe right here to Little Heroes. Bye, everyone. Click on the video above to watch more Little Heroes.